Another pranayama or breathing exercise is Ujjayi breathing, also called victorious breath or ocean sound breath. It's called ocean sound breath because when we breathe with Ujjayi breathing, we constrict the back of the throat, creating friction as the air passes through, which makes a hissing sound, which is similar to the sound of the ocean. By breathing in this way, we build internal heat due to the friction of the air passing over the back of the throat, which is constricted. Breathing in an Ujjayi way helps to relieve stress, helps us to relax and focus. To breathe in an Ujjayi way, we breathe in and out through the nose, but as we do so, we constrict the back of the throat. This is easier to do on the exhale than it is on the inhale, so it takes some practice.